Alrighty guys, welcome back to Cooking with OTK. We're doing a bloody jam. Let's get started.
All right, and what is bloody jam? Oh, it's a concoction that we just kind of try out right now. So we're gonna take some of our Tabasco hot pepper jelly.
Ooh, we haven't tried this yet.
But we're gonna go ahead and at least try the jelly, see how it is.
Let's get some spoons. Funny if it's super spicy. How is it?
It's like a sweet Tabasco.
Really?
It's not bad.
Let me try.
It does have some back end heat, but
that's good. That would be good on like just a piece of toast in the morning. That
would. On some cream cheese.
Ooh.
And crackers.
Man, cream cheese and crackers with that jam on top. That would be good. That would be real good.
Huh? Well, there's an appetizer idea for you guys. So first thing, we're gonna take our jar, which is about 10 ounces, not about. Well, about, because we took 2 bites.
Minus half a teaspoon.
10 ounces of jam, or jelly. And then we got whole cranberry.
Ooh. And it's so funny, the way that they did that can is like upside down.
You open it this way, and you turn it out. Bloop. But
product placement.
And you can use the, they make the smooth stuff. And the reason we came up with this, because we wanted a cranberry pepper jelly, but we didn't want to make it from scratch, because we wanted time saving. We're out at the campsite. We want to make some things easy, but we wanted it. And we couldn't find one in the store to just buy. So we figured, well, why don't we take a little pepper jelly and a little cranberry jelly, mix them together, warm them up. They'll liquefy, whisk them, pour them back in a jar, and then we have our own spicy cranberry jelly.
Exactly.
And it's quick, easy, fast. Hey, unlike the last camp out, I remembered a real can opener.
What?
I made a list.
Yeah, it's those lists. Finally getting those lists done.
So I'm just gonna open our can of cranberry stuff and put in, we're gonna start with 2/3 of the can. And this is a 14-ounce can, so 2/3 of that. And we're gonna warm it up and let it go warm.
Yeah, and remember guys, this, so far all we've done is add that Tabasco jelly and the cranberries, which I guess adding the cranberries with the whole cranberry, it makes it a jam, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we took pepper jelly and made it into a jam. But of course we're gonna mix this together and see what it tastes like. If it needs anything, we're gonna add whatever we think it needs. So
maybe if it needs a little sweeter, a little sugar,
maybe a little salt. Who knows?
We'll play it by taste buds. That's working well.
Yeah. Man, and this CampChef Mount Everest series stove, I wish that they would still sell this on their website so you could find it easy.
New updated one, which we need to get and try it out.
Yeah, we should definitely try out the newer one, but this one we have tested and it is awesome. So if you can find one, definitely get one.
The newer one, I think it's just really a cosmetic.
Yeah.
The internals are still awesome. The 20,000 BTUs per burner.
Yeah, that is the cool part about it, is the 20,000 per burner.
Take a roll. It's actually pretty bueno.
Smells good. Yeah.
It was that easy. Now a little pepper jelly, 10-ounce pepper jelly, 2/3 of a can of cranberry sauce, whole berry,
and dude,
in a pot.
That really doesn't need anything else. I mean, that's pretty good.
We just saved time from canning and making our own jelly from scratch, which you can tell everybody you made it.
Yeah, you can.
Because you did.
Because they can't find that stuff anywhere. Now, we got to put it in the jar.
Now it's come together. Got our nice little mason jar. And these things are awesome. And look, that fits a perfect jar. And look, I did that off the top of my head.
You got some crazy intuition, I guess.
So, because if you use the whole can, you'd have extra.
Mm-hmm.
So, this, just throw a lid, not too tight because it's still a little warm.
Yeah.
I just want it to breathe, but we're gonna stick it in the cooler so it'll cool down faster. Set that right there. Mateo, you go over here. And there we go. And then when we're ready to use it, it'll be nice jelly for biscuits.
On your eggs?
Yeah, anything. Your turkey.
Ooh, hey. That's a good idea.
Smoked turkey.
Try that on some turkey, man.
Hey, and I think we're gonna be making some grilled cheese sandwiches with it.
Yes, we are. Those are gonna be yummy. And guys, this was so easy. We don't only do recipes from scratch.
Yeah.
You can just mix stuff together.
That's especially when you're out at a campsite, man. Make it easy, make it delicious, but always remember, keep camping and keep cooking.
Yeah.